Hi, I'm Kendall with Wolf Industries. I'm checking in here at Image District Cottages. I wanted to show you guys what this project looks like compared to our last, in the sense of privacy. You come in off of this pathway here, and it's just your community here. And then you'll notice what we've discussed earlier in earlier videos is that we have this privacy wall here that really helps isolate each of these patios on the Model Fs. The other thing is the arrangement of the houses. We put them in a circle around a central courtyard to help with that isolated feel of this community being its own place. Also, we have some additional features that we tweaked just slightly on these Model Fs, so we want to show you guys. So we flipped the roof on these models. So we have our transom windows up here, which will matter in a second. So hold that thought. We also moved this door so that it was on the side. So now you have more space in here for a couch where space is a premium. So thoughtful planning. As we come into this first bedroom here, you'll see what I was talking about with those transom windows and the roof layout. So we were able to gain some loft space up here for additional storage, as well as the extra lighting from above. And if we come into this other bedroom here, you'll see the same thing. We really utilize the space to get you more space as a tenant. For more information about this project and other projects we have going on, check out a link to our website in the description below.